You work for money almost every single day of your life. It's how you survive, plan, and measure success. But here's the strange part. Almost nobody ever explains how money actually works. Not the definitions you memorized in school. Not the boring textbook explanations you forgot the next day. I mean, the real system. The one quietly running in the background of your life. So let's start with a simple question. What is money, really? Most people think money is cash or numbers sitting in a bank account. But at its core, money is something much simpler. Money is trust. We all collectively agree that this paper or these digital numbers have value. And because we agree, they work. That's why getting paid feels like receiving wealth. It feels like progress. But technically, what you receive is a promise, a claim that you'll be able to exchange this money for real things later. Now, here's where things start to get interesting. When money goes into a bank, it doesn't just sit there waiting for you. Banks lend most of that money back out to other people and businesses. This system is called fractional reserve banking. It sounds complicated, but the idea is simple. Most of the money in the system exists because someone borrowed it. And every time money is borrowed, it comes with interest attached. That's important because interest means more money. It has to come back than was created. This is why debt keeps growing over time. It's not an accident, it's how the system functions. And this explains something many people feel, but can't quite explain why they work harder, earn more over time, yet still feel stuck and stressed about money. Debt quietly limits choices. It makes risk feel dangerous and stability feel fragile. This isn't because people are lazy or bad with money, it's because of how the system is structured. Now, here's the part that really matters. The same system works very differently, depending on how you use it. Most people borrow money to consume cars, gadgets, lifestyle upgrades, but others borrow money to invest businesses, assets, long term growth. Same tool, very different outcome. Investing allows money to grow over time instead of disappearing month after month. And understanding this changes everything. You stop blaming yourself for struggling and start making clearer, calmer choices. You don't need to escape the system. You just need to understand it better. And once you do, money stops controlling every decision. If this helped you see money more clearly, subscribe for simple explanations like this every week. This is Alex Explains Money, and I'll see you in the next video.